Hi friends, Miss Frias here. Today we have another sound lesson for you. We're going to go ahead and start that sound lesson by listening to words and dropping the sounds at the beginning of the word. So we're going to work on dropping the first blend sound that we hear. So in the word clap, the first sounds that we hear are cl. That CL is a blend. So if I hear the word clap, I'm going to drop the cl and I'm going to be left with app. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to say clap, you're going to say clap, and then I'm going to say drop. And in your head, you're going to drop the cl and you're going to say app. And I'm going to say good job. Alrighty. Now, let me give you one more example. The example is slap. Say slap. Good. Now, when I say drop, you're going to drop the blend. You need to think hard about what the blend is in slap. Good. It's soul. So, slap, drop, app. Good. Okay, your turn. Say truck. Good. All right. Drop. Uck. Good. Uck is what you're left with. All right. Say stuck. Good. Okay. Drop. Good. Uck. Alrighty. Say small. Good. Drop. All. Really good. All right. Say crawl. Good. And drop. Good. All. Awesome job. Alrighty friends, today we are going to work on a sound that we've already worked on, but we're going to work on using a new spelling with it. So, we have already learned that a consonant E says what? What does a consonant E say? Good. It says A. So this word is ache, cake. But today we are going to work with AI. AI also makes the A sound. AI also makes our long A sound. So that means we hear A in words like aid, aid, say aid. Good. Or in words like aid, paid, say paid. Good. AI says A. One more time, say A. Good. Really good. All right, now we're going to practice reading some words. Alrighty. What we are going to do now is I'm going to point, you're going to say the sounds, then you're going to blend them. Then I'm going to go ahead and do it so that you can make sure you are saying the correct sounds and the words. All right, sorry about that. Okay, ready? And here we have our AI. What does AI say? Good. It says A. All right, say the sounds. And blend. Good. Listen. Ain't. Paint. All right, down here we have EE. What does EE say? Good. It says E. Sorry that this got erased a little bit. Alrighty. Sounds and blend. Good. Need. Need. All right, down here we have our AI again. What does AI say? Good. A. Sounds. Good. And blend. Awesome. Aid. Paid. All right, what do we have right up here? Say the sounds and blend. Rest. Rest. Oop, down here we have our AI again. What does AI say? Good. Sounds and blend. Good. Rain. Rain. All right, down here we have an I, a consonant, and E. That's going to make our long I vowel sound. What does long I say? Good. I. And our E stays silent. Read, or sounds. And blend. Good job. We have wipe. Wipe. All right. Awesome job, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to move on to our sight words for today. Our sight word, we have 2 sight words that we are going to be working on today. The first one is walk. Do you walk to school or ride the bus? Walk. My turn, read walk. My turn, read walk. My turn, spell W-A-L-K. Walk. Your turn, read. Good. Your turn, read. Your turn, spell. Good. Walk. Your second one is spelled and sounds very similar, but it is different. It is talk. I talk to my grandmother every week. Talk. My turn, read, talk. My turn, read, talk. My turn, spell T-A-L-K. Talk. Your turn, read. Your turn, read. Your turn, spell. Good. All right, now we're going to go ahead and practice some more. All right, I'm going to hold up the sight word. I'm going to give you 3 seconds to say it, and then I'm going to say the word so you can check and make sure what you said was correct. All right, my first one has a 2 right here. That means there's 2 ways to read this word, all right? Can you think of either one or both of them? Good, there's live and live. Give. Never. Ever. Again, we see that too. Read or read. Work. After. Do you remember? Walk. Talk. Alrighty, awesome job with that today, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to do some spelling words. Alrighty, your first word for today is chain. I have a silver chain to wear around my neck. Chain. Say the word first. Then think about the sounds you hear. Maybe clap it. Remember the sound that we learned today. Oh, excuse me. A. Once you have something written down, make sure you go back and read it back to yourself. Just to make sure it makes sense and sounds the way that you mean it to sound. If this is what you have written down, you can go ahead and give yourself a big smiley face. This word is chain. Chain. We have our n. Chain. Big smiley face. All right. Your next word is, Your next word is paint. Paint. Make sure you say it out loud first. There's a blend at the end, so make sure you're being careful in hearing all the sounds in that blend. Don't forget about the sound and spelling that we learned today. A. Make sure you read back to yourself what you wrote, just so it is what you think it is. Eight. Paint. That's not what I meant to write. I meant to write paint. 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 If this is what you've written for paint, you are correct. You can go ahead and give yourself a big smiley face. Like I said, that ending is hard. We have paint. Paint. All right, your last word is a sight word. It is give. I would like to give you a present. Give. Alrighty, friends, if this is what you have written for give, you can go ahead and give yourself a big smiley face. Give, G-I-V-E. If you didn't get it right that time, that's okay, but I would suggest that now you take the time to go ahead and look at what I have written here and write it down on your page, and then maybe practice writing or reading this word a couple of times each day for the next couple of days until you really have it memorized inside your head. Alrighty guys, good job today. Thanks for working with me, and I'll see you again soon.